Merry Christmas. Thank you, sir. Festival of Stars and All Goa Carol Singing Competition. Father says it is presentation, so we all have to say it is presentation. Carol Singing presentation. And I'm very happy to see the number of participants. The festival is growing bigger and bigger. 4 वर्सां जाली आमी हे फेस्टिवल चालू केल्यार पयलेच फावटी आमकां म्हाका दिसता 200 एंट्री आसल्यो 150-200. Every year it is growing in numbers. This year आमच्या आख्या टिमान जे एफर्ट्स घातल्या आमची टीम म्हणजे धाकटुले भुरगे हिंगा फुडल्यान आहा पळय ते they have worked very hard under the guidance of Professor Pradeep, Shivram, Dominic, Edwin and all the other team, Anil, नावा सगळ्यांची घेयना. The entire team has worked very hard. So let us hear for them, the entire team who has done the Festival of Stars. It is not that easy to organize. And finally, what is required is little bit of financial support. My dear friend Jeevan has helped me in this function. Is the managing director of Hotel Park Regis in Arbora. A lot of Goans are working over there. Can we have it for Jeevan? Thank you, Jeevan ji. Our father has blessed this Festival of Stars from the day one, because he inaugurated the first Festival of Stars when he came over here. Thank you, Father Alex. Our Equatan ami unity nami fude hoitale जाल्या the youth is very important, and the star significant म्हणजे youth eyes. And let all the stars who are over here shine, and your shine may go all over Goa and India, and the strength and the unity of the youth remain strong for a stronger and vibrant India. I want to wish once again Merry Christmas to.
And the main motive for us to have this star competition, and especially we are insisting on homemade Garan Kelle's star. This star appeared to the 3 kings who came in hunt of Jesus Christ. So our motive is that this star, whatever we are making, may be a small one, but what we have done with our hands, where emotions are involved in that, that star should come over here, and in turn it should come and be lit in our houses. And that should signify that Jesus, here is the light of our house, and Jesus is being born in our houses. So this is the motive of us, to see that we are having this star competition every year, and a homemade Garan Kelle to me star. This year we are having around 1,000 entries from all over Goa. So all the thanks to the participants.
I would like to first of all congratulate Michael Lobo and the Sarpanch Delilah Lobo for organizing this big event over here. I think they deserve a big round of applause at this moment. I was after Michael Lobo, trying to discourage him in changing this event and telling him to organize this event as what? I was trying to convince Michael Lobo to do it as presentation of carols and star competition over here. But he said, Father, I can't record. Kon yeवचे ना. Konच participate जावचे ना. And I said, okay, well done. And I'm here After listening to the melodious and angelic voices over here, since I'm here, my hearts were raised to heaven. सगळ्या पार्टिसिपंट्सांक पयले सुवातेर हांव शाबासकी दिता.